This is a brand new 2015 Kia Rio. This car has a manual transmission and an inline 4-cylinder engine. Its top features include speed-sensitive volume controls, commercial-free satellite radio, traction control and stability control systems, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: air conditioning, a pass-through rear seat, external temperature display, front multi-stage airbags, rear seat child-proof door locks, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, tinted glass, 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS, heated side view mirrors, and an auxiliary power outlet. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Moritz Kia is located at 110 Northeast Loop 820 in Hurst. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.